Hello, my students. We continue with the story. And you need please copy the date, topic, and performer. Or if you like, we write continue. Okay? Okay. We try to listen the story.
22. A trip to the attic.
I went to my best friend Deborah's house for a sleepover. As I got out of the car, my mom said, "Now, Allie, don't forget to brush your teeth, and you should always be polite." "I will, Mom," I said. "If you're hungry, you should ask politely for food. Don't just open the refrigerator," my mom continued. "You should clean up your mess. And remember, don't snoop around." "I know, Mom," I yelled as I raced to Deborah's house. Deborah opened the door before I knocked. She said, "Allie, I have big plans for tonight. We're going to eat pizza and watch a movie." "Then," she said, her voice dropping to a whisper, "we're going to explore the attic." Deborah's mom was listening. "Did you mention the attic? You're not allowed in there. Don't go up there," she said. "All right, Mom," Deborah grumbled. When her mom walked away, Deborah said, "I wonder what's in the attic. She always tells me not to go in there." "Maybe she keeps her birthday presents in the attic," I said. "Or maybe she's hiding something horrible up there," Deborah said. Later, we were watching our
Okay. I'll continue here. Okay, continue here. Later, we were watching our movie. Look, the movie, and we were watching the movie. Deborah's mom come and said, "Girls, I am going to bed." Don't forget, you shouldn't go to the attic. ¿Ok? No deben ir al ático. Volvió y les digo. Debra nodded es cuando tú mueves la cabeza y dices que sí, sin hablar. And we said, "Good night." Ella dice, "Good night." I'm sleepy too. We should go to bed. We should go to bed. I and Debra agree. We are going to look in the attic now. My parents are asleep, Debra said. We promise we wouldn't, I said. Sí, nosotros prometimos no hacerlo. "Alice, it will be an adventure," she said. Ella dice, va a ser una aventura, podría ser in the future. I reluctantly put oh my God. Here, stop. My students, wait for me. Here. I put on my slippers, look the slippers, and we tiptoe. Cuando te acuerdas la canción de tiptoe, tiptoe, que vas de punticas, tiptoe. Past her parents' room. This is the parents' room. Her dad was snoring softly. Es cuando haces, ¿ok? Continue. We climbed the stairs leading to the attic. Van hacia el ático. Suddenly, we heard Deborah's mom cough. Hurry, dice ella, hurry. Deborah whispered, así como, rápido, pero pasito. Ok, continue.